Hi, welcome back friends. So in this video we are going to change the menus item and we are going to add some menus item in our application. You can see here some menus: dashboard, category, registration, logout. So here I will add more menus item in this video. So we need to change the icons also, and let me write. First let me open our code editor, and here in the header you can see this. Okay, these all are the menus item. So first is the dashboard, and second is category, and third will be let here in my notepad uh, you can see here from serial number. First is dashboard, second is category, then product, then POS for point of sale, then order list, sales report, tax, registration, change password, and logout. So that all are the files. On that files we will work in the next videos, and in the further videos we will create that files. Okay, and the code for the icons I have already get out this code from our admin LT dashboard, but I will tell you from where you can get out this code for your purpose. Okay, so first you can see here the dashboard, category, then product, and then POS. So okay, let's start. First is the dashboard, second is the category, and third will be the product, and fourth will be the let me copy this. Okay, and here I need to paste fourth, and fourth will be the POS. So let's give here POS in capital letter, and after the POS I will need order list, so I'm going to give here order list. Okay, and let's remove the space from here, and after the order list I need a sales report. So here I'm going to give sales report. Okay, and after the sales report I need tax, so here I'm going to give tax. Okay, and after the tax I need registration. Okay, and after the registration I need change password. Okay, and let give here change password. Okay, save, and let's see the output in our browser. Refresh, and you can see. Okay, that all are the menus item of our application. If we need to remove some, we will remove in further videos, or if we need to add some other menus item, then we will add other menus item in our application in further videos. But this time all the menus item is sufficient for us, and we will create every page, and we will create pages for all menus item here. Okay, so here we need to change the icon. You can see here the same icons. So I have already copied the code from our admin LT dashboard, so I will give that here. So for the dashboard I need this, so let me copy this, and let's go on dashboard, and here in the dashboard you can see we just need to remove this and cut it and paste this. Okay, and just like this for the category, and for the category just remove this and paste this, and for the product let's copy this and give here for the product, and for the POS let me copy this and give for the POS. Okay, so let's save our file. Control plus S save, and let's open our browser and refresh our page, dashboard.php. Perfect, you can see all the icons here. Okay, I hope you got this what I have done here, and let me explain you from where I took out this code. Open my code editor, and in our admin dashboard you can go inside the pages. Now let me open the browser, open localhost pos barcode / then write pages. Okay, enter, and you can go inside the UI folder, and let's open the icons.html. Okay, and you can see here in admin dashboard, Font Awesome website, it is recommendation from the admin dashboard. We can copy all that icon from this Font Awesome website. Okay, and you can click on the icons, and you can search lots of icons from here, but I just copied that icons. You can see here from where you can get this icon from the source code. Let me show you. Open our code editor, and let's go in UI. You can see here the UI folder. This is not the .ui folder which we created for our files. You can see here. Okay, this is other UI folder. This is dashboard UI folder. In this folder it is in capital letter, but our folder it is in a small letter, so don't be confused. Okay, so here you can open close this and open the pages, and inside the pages just open UI, and inside the UI you can open the icons.html, and here you can see. So Control F for find, write dashboard. So you can see here the dashboard, and you can see that code from where I copied. Okay, so you can also copy. So you can see the browser, and you can see the dashboard icon. Okay, and you can see the code of the dashboard icon in icons.html file. You can copy any code for your application from here. Okay, so I hope you got this what I have done here. Simply I just added the menus item in header.php file, not in header user.php file. In header user.php file we will add menus item in further videos. So you can see here, and we can add. Let's go in our code editor, and let's go in header.php, and in the change password here I can give change password.php. Okay, now let's save and open our file, refresh, and if I click on this change password, you can see here we can go on the change password. Let's back. Perfect, so our code is working perfect. If you have any doubt, you can ask me the question. So see you in next video.